Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I wanted to do a follow-up on that 994 that arrived, I think it was last Saturday. Got the 994 on eBay with its original nickel plate road tender, and this is the tender that came with the 994. Anyway, I was talking to Gary over at Trains in the Basement tonight, and he just got a 994 set from eBay. Anyway, the problem with the nickel plate road tender is that it's only a four-wheel tender. It is really large, and unfortunately, it's really, really light, and it's top-heavy. So when you're trying to run this with a heavy consist, going forward, it has a tendency to actually lift this off of the rail, and it derails. Trying to run them in reverse, exactly the same problem. You'll start to run it in reverse, you'll get to a turn, and it will derail. Almost every time in reverse. So anyway, I took the nickel plate road tender, and as you see, I took a pair of snips and I cut the tabs off that hold the axles. And then using the existing holes, I mounted Lionel trucks on this tender. So I just mounted the Lionel trucks with the tab and slot couplers on top of them, then remounted them with a screw and a nut, and it's up and running as a four-wheel or an eight-wheel tender now with four-wheel trucks. It increased its stability 100%. So now you can run this in reverse. This is 16 cars running in reverse with no problem at all. Now I could not do this with a four-wheel tender. So as you see, it increased its stability 100%. So I probably should have done this sooner, but it made a tremendous difference in how this tender runs. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. Now these are Lionel trucks, so they still have Lionel couplers on them. So when I get this finished, you'll be able to just swing them around and have a Lionel coupler on either end, or a Lionel coupler on one end and a tab and slot on the other. So it'll also make a great transition car. Anyway, just got these mounted with screws, nuts, and washers for right now. So I just got this finished. I wanted to do a quick video on it. But as you can see, it doesn't look bad at all. It looks like a factory car. And it added some real weight to it. And the nice thing about it is that it increased its stability 100%. I mean, it just does not derail anymore. Like I said, you can run this in reverse, you can run it forward. And this is 16 cars, so this is quite a heavy consist. And with four wheels on that tender, you could not do it. It will derail every single time, especially on these 031 curves. But with the trucks, it does not do that. It's nice and stable, really easy to do. It's much heavier now because it added some real weight to it. Grand total of about 10 minutes to do the transition. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. So a nickel plate road 8-wheel tender. It's really, really simple to do this, and it really, really increased the efficiency of this car. And like I said, when I get this finished, I'll be able to swing the Lionel couplers, and you can either have tab and slot on one end, Lionel on the other, tab and slot on either end, or Lionel on either end. So it's a really, really simple way to improve the efficiency of this nickel plate road tender. It works really, really well. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.